Welcome to this week's cane clip. Today I'll be discussing the results from the Billet Quality Survey conducted by SRA, Wilmar and Local Productivity Services. The project was initiated to gain a better understanding of the quality of cane supplied to the mill in the Herbert, Burdekin, Proserpine and Plain Creek mill regions. The process was undertaken in accordance with the standards set by the ISSCT Agricultural Engineering Committee and involved multiple samples being taken from each group between 7 AM and 9 AM. Data collected included important block information such as variety, return and crop condition, as well as the billet quality rating, billet length and extraneous matter for all bins sampled. The purpose of the cane clip is to share the findings of the survey from each district with contractors and growers. It is hoped that this work will assist both parties in making decisions around farm and harvest management that will result in a more profitable harvest for all. The survey has highlighted positive results and also areas where we can improve. The graph below indicates the average billet length and quantity of billets that are mutilated or damaged for each respective district. On average, the percentage of damaged and mutilated billets for the Herbert region was 19%, Burdekin 30%, Proserpine 26% and Plain Creek 24%. As shown in the four graphs, they have been separated into erect, sprawled and lodged crop. Gains in cane supply quality can be made by optimising the roller train and matching roller speed to chopper tip speed, so billet mutilation, damage and losses are minimised. Roller tip speed should be 55 to 65% of chopper tip speed. All rollers should have the same tip speed and the butt lifter tip speed should be at 80 to 90% of the roller tip speed. The graph below shows the quality of cane supplied by each region to the mill. The average extraneous matter for the Herbert region was 14%, Burdekin 8, Proserpine 9 and Plain Creek 11. It is important that growers provide a row profile that matches the base cutter setup for their harvester to reduce pickup losses and minimise stool damage. Growers are urged to discuss with their operator the appropriate hill height and shape that matches base cutter setup. The graph below shows the distribution of billet length across contractors for each region. The average billet length for the Herbert was 166mm, Burdekin 169, Proserpine 169 and Plain Creek 173mm. These graphs also show the importance of optimising the roller train and matching roller speed to chopper speed. When the feed train is slowed, the choppers actually pull the cane through the feed train rollers. The impact of the choppers pulling cane through the rollers is variable billet length, as shown in the graphs below, increased juice loss and increased damage to the billets. The optimum relationship between the blades and the cane bundle occurs when the cane bundle is travelling at approximately 60% of the tip speed of the chopper blades. This lowers the loss per cut, highest billet quality, longer chopper blade life. So where to from here? Harvesting losses contribute to lost profits for all sectors of the sugarcane industry. Ongoing work is addressing these losses for the benefit of the whole industry. Some of the current work include SRA researchers working closely with Wilmar to trial the EHS chopper drums, a new technology that potentially reduces the loss of sugar during harvest through a cleaner chopping action. Results from the 2015 harvest will be shared shortly. Trials with the Blakey base cutter discs were conducted in the Herbert and Tully regions in 2015 and will be conducted also in the Burdekin, Proserpine and Plain Creek regions in 2016. Economic analysis projects are being planned, for example analysing the fuel usage from different harvesting practices, and a harvesting forum will be conducted in each respective mill region in the 2016 season. Finally, Wilmar has funded a sugar loss trailer, one will be based in the Herbert and another will be based in Proserpine and Plain Creek region. This work will be initiated in 2016. SRA, Wilmar and the Local Productivity Services would like to thank all the operators for their cooperation during these trials. For more information about these trials, please do not hesitate to contact Sugar Research Australia.